Hello everyone, welcome back. Want to install OBS Studio without opening a web browser? In this video, I'll show you the fastest way to install OBS Studio using command prompt with a single command. Click Start, type CMD, open command prompt. In the command prompt window, enter the command displayed on the screen, then press Enter. Windows Package Manager, also known as Winget, will automatically download the latest official version of OBS Studio and install it on your computer. If the user account control window appears, click Yes. Wait for the installation to complete. This may take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. Once the installation is finished, close the command prompt window, then double-click the OBS Studio desktop shortcut to launch the application. That's it. You've successfully installed the latest version of OBS Studio using command prompt. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.